Hi, all, and welcome to the second episode of Hemargroup Partner of the Month, a web series where we describes our partner and our customer and our clients. Today with us there is Gino from Clemap. Hi, Gino.
Hi, Saverio.
And Andrea, that is our CTO of Emma Group, and head of engineering and R&D department. So, without further ado, Gino, I would like you to introduce yourself, and if you can also describe to our viewers who is Clemap and what you are doing in Zurich.
Yes, my name is Gino Agbomemewa, and I am the managing director of Clemap. It's a startup company based in Zurich. We are active since 2017 in the sector of the energy monitoring, and our products is a platform, an IoT energy platform, which comprises from the measuring part with the intelligent measuring electricity measuring sensors up to data analytics in the cloud and to the front end for displaying data to the end customer.
Okay, so there is a lot of technology involved. I think that is very easy to sum up it by saying that you are working for a better future, for a more sustainable and
So yes, we are active for the energy strategy 2050 of Switzerland, and we collaborate as well with the association Smart Grid Ready, which is active also on the politics side to reach these goals.
Okay, so very, very, very cool. I see a lot of, attention to the environment that is very, very important these days. And, with pandemic, we see the importance of taking care of our planet. Just for our viewers, can you just tell us a very important experience or a business case that you are very proud of regarding Clemap or also your professional experience or career?
Yes, so I think one of the most interesting part of our job is the contact with the customer and see how the customers are using our product. It's always interesting. So we have created this sensor which is capable of doing analytics on the energy consumption of a building, for example, which it doesn't give just the data about the energy consumption for doing, for example, billing of the energy, but it do an analysis of the of how the energy is consumed inside the building, and in this way we can give advices on how to reduce the energy consumption, or as well how to avoid certain energy consumption peaks. And so now I see that when the technical facility manager that is using our sensor, our technology, is looking at the technology and he says, before I was doing everything manually, and now by using this technology, I can do everything is automated. I get automatically a report, and then I can save a lot of time and concentrate to other tasks that are not so repetitive for me. It's really a positive thing for us.
Okay, so I can see a lot of keywords like cost savings and timing optimization, let's say. So, Gino, I know that we partner together for the development and production of your sensor. So maybe, Andrea, can you tell us more about who is Hemargroup for who doesn't know us, and some key info about this partnership?
Yes, of course. Thanks for asking. So Hemargroup is a Swiss-based company dealing with the electronic production of any kind of devices with an electronic heart. And one of our strategies is to help the future by helping startups and companies which are ready to launch or even trying to create their first prototype. And this actually happened with Gino, where we met a long time ago. We are friends from the studies era, but after a couple of years, we met another time during an accelerator program, and at that time, Clemap was a concept. It was a very good idea. It needed some help with the development, and we were very proud to be chosen to give this help. and together with Clemap, we actually grew together and created a product which is right now industrialized, sellable, so ready for the market and usable for the final customers and for actually the outside world, because every product every idea is very good at the beginning, but at the end it needs to meet the market needs and needs to make customers and final customers happy. And right now the journey with Clemap is started to grow, and we are very proud of this growth and acceleration that is only actually possible if you have the right partners, not only like on the electronic side, which would be an example with us, but also on other areas like packaging, distribution, marketing, and all these aspects that make every good idea into a great product.
So thank you, Andrea, for your speech. I think you give also a lot of some high-level advices for the go-to-market of a startup or any company with a new product. So this interview is coming to an end. I would like just to ask both of you if you can give us an advice, a personal advice for all of us, all our viewers who are maybe trying to create a new startup or are working inside the electronics world. So we can start with you, Gino.
So yes, maybe I can make an example, a little history of what happens during our first demo in our first big fair that we had, which is called the Power Tage. It was in Zurich. And before this fair, we worked until after midnight to make our product ready for the fair, for the demo, that everything should be really perfect and the technical part should be perfect and really work well. But what did we discover at the fair was that the personal contact with the customer was much more important during the fair than the only part, the technical part of the product. And by the way, we won the fair during the fair, the demo day for the startup, so we were very proud of it. But what I learned that day is that we can be in love with our product and with the technical part of the product, but to make something really work, a company really work, it's very important also the possibility to, or the capacity, the other skills about listening to the customer, for example, or having the capability to do this marketing and do this sales part for the company.
Okay, thank you, Gino. Andrea, can you tell us some example?
Yes, I can actually follow up on what Gino is saying. There are multiple aspects in the success of a product or a service. The one is the production, the creation of the idea, and the other parts are the relationships and the partnerships that you have along your journey. So don't be afraid to ask for the best possible quality. Don't stop at the first problems and just keep on going with passion to make your idea into a great product, and try to find the best possible cooperations and partners along your journey, so that at the end you will be surprised how amazing the electronic world could be.
And maybe if I can add a small part again, is that when we met Andrea during our journey, he really helped us with the part of the industrialization of our product, because we were focused on developing prototypes for our company, but it cost us so much time to go from the prototype to an industrial product. And Andrea came with, okay, we have everything to produce your product, and you can do this even for less money than what we were spending to do our prototypes. So it was really this step into the industrialization that we didn't know. So I would advise to look for professional help for the specific topic. I mean, we from Clemap, we are expert in the IoT energy platform in the development of the product that we need, but then for the industrialization, we can address ourselves to EMA.
Okay, thanks for these precious advices. I think I will carry on this by saying that if any one of our viewers is looking for a powerful energy management solution, can contact directly you, Gino, right? And for a reliable and powerful partner regarding the development and engineering and the production and prototyping of electronic products, they can contact directly us. So thank you for your time, for the advices, for the stories that you tell to our viewers today. And we will see again in the next part of the month video.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.